Hey guys, Brent here from a ice cold Canada. Just wanted to wish you a happy new year, and I hope this year your photography becomes amazing. And I wanted to thank you for being part of my list, watching my videos, reading all my emails and buying my photography courses. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Soon I'll be back in Australia at the beach in really hot weather. Can't wait. But just wanted to send you this little personal video thanking you for, having me as your instructor. Anyway, that's it. I better keep walking. I'm busy snowshoeing right now. There are my shoes, walking in the snow. And remember to stay inspired with your photography. This is Brent. Over and out. Bye.